Namaste and very good afternoon to all judges and my dear friends. Today I am very happy to participate in seminar competition. First I give my introduction. Myself Aryan Rasan Chauhan. I read in class 8th. Why you working hard? Why you working hard in life? You can get something. You can get something. I am moving on its path. Want to become an IAS officer in future. Now I am starting my seminar. My topic is stars and solar system. This is very important topic in physics and all competitions. In this topic, we read the knowledge about astronomy, celestial bodies, astronomical distances, galaxy, types of galaxy, our Milky Way galaxy, sun, moon, something about planets, asteroids, constellation, comets, natural satellite and artificial satellite. Are you know what is astronomy? Let I tell you what is astronomy. Astronomy is the study of everything in the universe beyond Earth atmosphere. That includes the object which can seen with our naked eye, that like sun, moon, etc. Astronomy is derived from a Greek word, astron and nomos. The means of astron is star and the means of nomos is law. So it is scientific study of celestial bodies. Celestial bodies. Do you thought what is celestial bodies? The sun, moon, stars and many more objects in the sky is called celestial bodies. Astronomical distances. To measuring two far larger distances, we use three measuring units. First, AU. This is the distance between Earth and Sun. One AU is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer. Second, light year. The distance traveled by light in 1 year is called a light year or is defined as a light year. One light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. Third is parsec. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. Do you ever thought what is galaxy? An enormous cluster of stars held together by gravitational force is called galaxy. You never thought there are 100 billion or 10 to the power 11 galaxies in our universe. Or you surprised to hear this, there are 100 billion stars or 10 to the power 11 stars present in every galaxy. So total number of stars in our universe is 10 to the power 22. Hubble, American astronomer, divides galaxies into 3 types. First, spiral galaxy. Those galaxies spiral in shape is known as spiral galaxy. Our Milky Way galaxy is also example of spiral galaxy. Approx 80% of all galaxy of this kind. Second, elliptical galaxies. This accounts for 18% of observed galaxies, or its amount is too far larger than observed percentage. Third, irregular galaxy. Those galaxies have not any symmetrical shape is called irregular galaxy. It accounts for 2% of all galaxies. Our Milky Way galaxy. The word Milky Way comes from a Greek word gala, which means milk. Our Milky Way, our solar system is present in Milky Way. Milky Way contains more than 100 billion stars. Stars. Do you thought what is stars? Stars are heavenly bodies which have their own light. Our sun also a star. Although stars are present every time in the sky, but it is seen only during night due to the absence of sunlight. Our sun, the name sun, it is the nearest star from the earth. Sun mainly contains hydrogen and helium, and sun continuously emitting heat and light by the nuclear fusion reaction. Sun gravity is 28 times of Earth gravity. It is the main source of energy for all the planets. Moon. It is only natural satellite of the Earth. It is the 5th largest satellite. Moon takes 27.3 days to orbit around the Earth. And the gravity of the moon is 1/6 of Earth gravity. Or there is absence of atmosphere in the moon. Due to the escape velocity of any particle on the moon is 2.38 km per second, but the escape velocity of gas molecule is 2.4 km per second, so it is easily escaped from moon environment. Suppose that is the moon and this is its environment. On any particles, escape velocity on the moon is 2.38 km per second, but the escape velocity of gas molecule is 2.4, so it is easily escaped from moon environment. Surface of the moon. Let's tell you about surface of the moon. The moon surface is barren and all covered with dust, and it's covered with dead lava volcanoes. Let I tell you something about planets. First, Mercury. Mercury. That is Mercury. It is the nearest planet from the sun. It is the smallest planet in our solar system, or it does not have any own natural satellite. Second, Venus. It is brightest planet in our solar system. It has not any own satellite. Venus rotates from east to west, unlike the Earth rotates from west to east. Third is Earth. Earth is the only planet where life is possible. Earth revolves around the sun. It's called revolution of Earth. Revolution of Earth causes the changes in season. Or one rotation of the revolve around the sun is of 365.5 days. Earth have one natural satellite. Fourth, Mars. It is also called red planet because it is reddish in color, or it has two satellites. Fifth, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It can comprises 1300 Earth-like planets. Jupiter has 79 satellites. Saturn. Saturn has thick ring around it, or Saturn has least dense planet. Saturn has largest number of satellites, and Saturn is second largest planet in our solar system. Uranus. Uranus rotates from east to west like the Venus. Uranus 21 number of satellite, or it is an outer planet. Neptune. So that is Saturn, that is Uranus. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. It has 8 on natural satellite, or it is an outer planet. Let's tell about constellation. The stars forming a group of recognizable shape is called constellation. Example of constellation. See, this is Ursa Major. Ursa Major. And this is Orion. Orion is also called Hunter. Asteroids. There is a large gap between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So it is gap filled by a largest number of objects. Largest number of which revolve around the sun into their orbits is called asteroids. And comets. The celestial bodies, and those celestial bodies having largest period of revolution is called comets. Satellite or natural satellite. Any celestial bodies which revolve around another celestial bodies is called satellite. Artificial satellite. Those satellites are made by man, or man-made satellite is called artificial satellite. Example of artificial satellite: Aryabhat, INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. Thank you. And finally, I give a motivational thought. The word impossible says, the word impossible says, I am possible. The word impossible says, I am possible. Thank you.